down there. Okay, so let's go try to work on the acid. So let's see the battery tester, how good it works. Then we're gonna just mess with this and test the TPMS also, my people. Now the good thing with this is that it shows you like what to do, because I found that weird that, you know, it's just you're shorting the battery. It's hard because of the camera, so let me get this connected. So it is a bit noisy here, but we're gonna do a battery test. Let's see what it's gonna tell me. Say. So now that we got all the information, you know, we moved this dial. It's 310 cranking amps, right? 310. So it needs charging because I've been working on the battery a lot, right? So it's a little bit low. All right, so you see it tested it. Now we're gonna go to the cranking. Click OK.